Nobody knows when to let you breathe. Friends are calling when something's wrong. Lovers asking where you belong. Smiling faces, hidden eyes. Everybody's selling better lives. I watched the city through my glass and wondered how I let the years go past. Then one cold morning before the dawn, I packed the car and I was gone. No goodbye, no forwarding name, no final fight, no one to blame. Just a full tank and an empty road, and everything I used to know. No bridges left to burn, no road behind me, no return. Let the city choke on everything I learned. I'm heading where the mountain rivers turn. No bridges left to burn. Let every old connection disappear. A little town beneath the Appalachian sky, and nobody who gives a damn why I'm here. Drove through rain for half a day, watched the concrete fade away. Billboards vanished, pines appeared. Every mile the silence cleared. Found a town without a name. One old bar, one railway frame. Rusty pumps, a grocery store. 20 houses, maybe more. Old man sitting by the door didn't ask what I was running for, just tipped his hat and let me be. That's when the place felt right to me. No ringing phone, no crowded street, just gravel underneath my feet. Mountain shadows, evening cold, and nothing here that needs to be sold. No bridges left to burn, no road behind me, no return. Let the city choke on everything I learned. I'm staying where the mountain rivers turn. No bridges left to burn. Let every old connection disappear. A little town beneath the Appalachian sky, and nobody who gives a damn why I'm here. Bought a cabin past a creek, roof still leaks about once a week. Got a porch and got a chair, got enough and nothing spare. Morning coffee, evening rain, freight train climb through the valley again. Sometimes someone from the bar leaves a six-pack by my car. They know my face, they know my name, but nobody asks from where I came. Nobody needs my history, that's close enough to home for me. Sometimes headlights cross the wall. Sometimes I wonder who might call. Sometimes names come drifting through, people that I almost knew. Maybe some still wonder where I disappeared and why I don't care. Maybe they decided I was wrong. Maybe they forgot me all along. Either way, the morning comes through mountain mist and rising sun, and every day that passes by, I need one less reason why. No bridges left to burn, above the chimney now. Morning rolls across the mountain ferns. No road behind me calls me home. No bridges left to burn.